Hey beauties, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know I've been rocking this lovely wig sent to me by HerGiven Hair. It is a curly U-part 18-inch wig, and I have to say before continuing, HerGiven Hair has some of the highest quality packaging I have seen yet. My wig cap is a size small, and it also provides an adjustable elastic band with some extra clips. I did have to use the band after I end up cutting my lace because I got a tiny head, but I'm really thankful they went ahead and provided that. First impressions, the hair was really soft. I can tell they went ahead and shampooed and conditioned the hair prior. It came in a nice little hairnet. The ends were soft. The roots were really shiny, if you guys can see there in the lighting. The wig was nice and light. It wasn't too heavy. I thought it was going to be a lot more hair, but I think this is perfect, especially, you know me, I like to wear my hair nice and wet. I can tell from first impressions, it's not going to be heavy on my head. Yeah, do you guys see that shine right there? It was really nice and defined and just had a really nice bomb wave pattern. Loved it. As mentioned before, after cutting the lace, I did sew on the elastic band just to make sure the wig was more secured. This is the hair shell that I got after co-washing, deep conditioner, finger detangle, and the products I'm using is Shea Moisture's gel from the High Porosity line, and of course, water. I prep my wig the same way as I do with my clip-ins. I apply product before installing. The wig was slightly damp. I just go in with some more water, getting it nice and wet, and then I apply my gel. I smooth it down with my hands and I finger detangle just to make sure the ends are really defined and there's enough product. I don't use a brush, I don't use a comb. All the magic is in my little hands. Also, for the people who are going to ask, why am I wearing gloves? The gloves help with the slip. They help me to finger detangle. Also, I have a cut on my hand and I'm rocking a band-aid and I'm not trying to get that all wet. That is just gross. My hair is about 5 or 6 days old. I had a wash and go in the back and the front was in a really cute flat twist. The night before or 2 nights before, I know I went in with a nice little oil massage, finger detangle, and I kept my hair into chunky twist. So before applying the wig, I'm just going to section and measure out how much leave out I'm going to need just to ensure it looks all natural. For my leave out, I just spray with water first and then I go in with the gel, smooth and just blend until everything looks nice and natural. FYI, for those who don't know, this is my first U-part wig. This is my second time wearing a wig, but my first ever U-part wig. The first time I ever had a wig was years ago, and that was a full lace wig, and it actually gave me a bald spot. Now that the weather is getting colder, and winter is coming, this wig is going to be my best friend. It sits really nice and comfy, and I can just see myself rocking a cute little winter hat with this cute old wig on. Woo! New wig. Who dis? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.